What if I told you you can start ClickBank affiliate marketing right away, without a website of your own or prior marketing experience? In this video, we're going to review everything you need to know about ClickBank affiliate marketing and the mistakes you need to avoid. Make sure you hit that subscribe button for more videos like this. And now let's get straight into the video. ClickBank affiliate marketing has emerged as a powerful avenue for individuals looking to generate income online. At its core, ClickBank is a digital marketplace that connects product creators with affiliate marketers. Affiliates promote various digital products, such as ebooks, software, and online courses, earning a commission for each sale made through their unique referral links. This model allows anyone with an internet connection to become a marketer, regardless of their prior experience or expertise. One of the most appealing aspects of ClickBank affiliate marketing is the potential for earning passive income. Once affiliates set up their marketing strategies, whether through blogs, social media, or email campaigns, they can continue to earn commissions on sales without actively working on those promotions. This creates a sustainable income stream that can grow over time, especially as affiliates refine their techniques and expand their reach. The growing popularity of online business opportunities has made ClickBank an attractive option for many aspiring entrepreneurs. With the rise of e-commerce and digital products, more people are recognizing the benefits of affiliate marketing as a viable way to achieve financial freedom. As individuals seek flexible work arrangements and additional income sources, ClickBank affiliate marketing stands out as a promising path to explore in the ever-evolving digital landscape. ClickBank is a leading affiliate marketing platform that has gained recognition for its user-friendly interface and diverse product offerings. Founded in 1998, ClickBank serves as a marketplace where product creators can list their digital goods, and affiliates can promote these products to earn commissions. This platform specializes primarily in digital products, including ebooks, online courses, software, and membership sites, making it an ideal choice for those looking to enter the digital economy. The types of products available on ClickBank are vast and varied, catering to numerous niches such as health and wellness, personal finance, self-improvement, and online marketing. This diversity allows affiliates to choose products that align with their interests and target audience, enhancing their chances of successful promotions. Affiliates benefit from ClickBank's attractive commission structure, which can range from 50% to 75% of the product's sale price. This high commission rate is one of the reasons ClickBank is favored by many marketers. The payment process is straightforward. Affiliates receive their earnings through direct deposit, checks, or wire transfers, typically on a bi-weekly basis. This efficient system ensures that affiliates are rewarded promptly for their marketing efforts, making ClickBank a compelling option for those seeking to monetize their online presence. Selecting the right products to promote is crucial for success in ClickBank affiliate marketing. One of the first steps in this process is niche selection. Choosing a specific niche allows you to focus your marketing efforts and establish yourself as an authority in that area. A well-defined niche not only helps you target a specific audience, but also increases your chances of converting leads into sales. To identify profitable products, it's essential to research product popularity and sales trends. Start by exploring ClickBank's marketplace, where you can find metrics such as the gravity score, which indicates how well a niche product is selling. A higher gravity score suggests that a product is in demand and has been successfully promoted by other affiliates. Additionally, consider checking external sources like social media, forums, and review sites to gauge customer interest and satisfaction. When choosing products, always keep your audience's interests in mind. Understanding what your target audience values and needs will help you select products that resonate with them. Conduct surveys or engage with your audience on social media to gather insights into their preferences. By aligning your product choices with your audience's interests, you increase the likelihood of successful promotions and ultimately boost your earnings as a ClickBank affiliate. Promoting ClickBank products requires a well-rounded approach that utilizes various marketing channels to reach potential customers effectively. Social media platforms, such as Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, offer excellent opportunities for affiliate marketers to engage with their audience. By sharing compelling content, product reviews, and promotional offers, you can attract followers and drive traffic to your ClickBank products. Additionally, Creating a blog allows you to provide in-depth information and insights about the products you promote, establishing your authority in your niche. Creating valuable content is essential for attracting customers and building trust. Whether through blog posts, videos, or social media updates, your content should address your audience's pain points and provide solutions. This not only helps in promoting the products, but also positions you as a knowledgeable resource, encouraging potential buyers to consider your recommendations. Incorporating search engine optimization techniques into your marketing strategies can significantly increase your visibility online. By optimizing your blog posts and social media content with relevant keywords, you can improve your chances of ranking higher in search engine results. This increased visibility can lead to more organic traffic and ultimately higher conversion rates for the ClickBank products you promote. By leveraging these marketing strategies, you can create a comprehensive approach that maximizes your earning potential as a ClickBank affiliate. Growing an audience for affiliate marketing is essential for long-term success, and engaging with your audience through social media is a powerful way to achieve this. By actively participating in conversations, responding to comments, and sharing valuable content, you can foster a sense of community and build trust with your followers. Platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter allow you to connect with potential customers, making it easier to promote ClickBank products effectively. Another crucial aspect of audience growth is building an email list for direct marketing. An email list enables you to communicate directly with your audience, providing them with personalized content and product recommendations. To start building your list, offer valuable incentives such as free ebooks, exclusive discounts, or informative newsletters. Encourage visitors to subscribe by placing sign-up forms on your website and social media profiles, ensuring that you capture their interest. Consistency in content creation is vital for retaining audience interest. Regularly posting high-quality content keeps your audience engaged and encourages them to return for more. Establish a content calendar to plan your posts and ensure a steady flow of information. Whether through blog articles, videos, or social media updates, maintaining a consistent presence helps reinforce your brand. This keeps your audience informed about the ClickBank products you promote. By focusing on engagement, email marketing, and consistency, you can effectively build and grow your audience for affiliate marketing success. To succeed in affiliate marketing, tracking and analyzing your performance is crucial. Utilizing tools such as Google Analytics, ClickBank's reporting dashboard, and affiliate tracking software can provide valuable insights into your marketing efforts. These tools allow you to measure key metrics, including click-through rates, conversion rates, and overall sales. By understanding these metrics, you can gauge the effectiveness of your promotional strategies and identify areas for improvement. Analyzing data is essential for optimizing your marketing strategies. By reviewing performance metrics, you can determine which products resonate most with your audience and which marketing channels yield the best results. This data-driven approach enables you to make informed decisions, such as reallocating resources to high-performing campaigns or adjusting your messaging to better align with customer preferences. Regular reviews of your performance are vital to adapt to changing market trends. The affiliate marketing landscape is dynamic, with consumer behaviors and preferences evolving over time. By consistently monitoring your performance and staying informed about industry trends, you can pivot your strategies to remain competitive. Set aside time each month to analyze your data, assess your goals, and refine your approach. This proactive mindset will help you stay ahead in the affiliate marketing game, ensuring continued growth and success in promoting ClickBank products. In ClickBank affiliate marketing, avoiding common pitfalls is essential for achieving long-term success. Regularly posting high-quality content keeps your audience engaged and encourages them to return for more. One significant danger is promoting low-quality products. While it may be tempting to choose products with high commission rates, prioritizing quality is crucial. Promoting subpar products can damage your reputation and erode trust with your audience. Always conduct thorough research and select products that offer real value to customers, ensuring that your recommendations reflect positively on you. Another critical aspect to consider is compliance with advertising regulations. Affiliates must adhere to guidelines set by organizations such as the Federal Trade Commission, FTC, to ensure transparency and honesty in marketing practices. Failing to disclose affiliate relationships or making misleading claims can lead to legal repercussions and damage your credibility. Familiarize yourself with these regulations to protect yourself and maintain a trustworthy presence in the market. Also, neglecting audience engagement can be detrimental to your affiliate marketing efforts. Building a loyal audience requires consistent interaction and communication. Failing to engage with your followers can result in lost opportunities for conversions and diminished brand loyalty. Make it a priority to respond to comments, ask for feedback, and create content that resonates with your audience. By avoiding these common mistakes, you can enhance your ClickBank affiliate marketing strategy and foster a successful, sustainable business. Choosing the right products and implementing effective marketing strategies are crucial components of success in ClickBank affiliate marketing. By selecting high-quality products that resonate with your audience and utilizing various channels such as social media, blogs, and email marketing, you can create a strong foundation for your affiliate business. Engaging with your audience and consistently providing valuable content will help build trust and foster long-term relationships, ultimately leading to increased conversions and sales. The potential for success in ClickBank affiliate marketing is significant, especially for those who are willing to invest time and effort into understanding their audience and optimizing their strategies. With the right approach, you can generate passive income and achieve financial freedom through affiliate marketing. We encourage you to get excited about ClickBank affiliate marketing and take action by applying the insights shared in this video. Now check out this video for more affiliate marketing valuable tips. Subscribe to our channel and share this video with anyone who may benefit from it. Thank you for watching.